Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony Bravia Pro display. This is an fw-100bz40 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings of the display. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. If your display is frozen and not responding, or if it's not connecting or not working in any kind of way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you're selling this, or if maybe you bought a used one or something like that, and you just want to have it back to its out-of-the-box settings and wipe all of the information off of it, we can go ahead and do that with a hard reset. It's very simple to do. All you need to do is you're going to go ahead and turn off the display and then unplug it. And then once it's unplugged, you're going to press and hold the power button on the display. And you're going to press and hold the power button as you plug it back in. And just continue to hold the power button as you plug it in and as it starts up. And it will go through a full factory reset process as it starts up into its initial settings.